Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming JDK is installed and on path. That lets the prompt find javac. Change directory to the folder with your Java file, use cd path. Once there, run javac file name, Java to compile. You'll see no output on success and a class file appear. This is normal. If errors appear, the compiler points to line numbers and messages, so fix the indicated code and rerun javac until it compiles cleanly. You now handle more complex builds. To compile all sources, use javac *. Java, that's faster for projects. When your code depends on external jars, include them with cp lib / or set class path. This tells javac where to find reference classes. Use javac dout src url. Java to keep bytecode in a separate output folder and preserve packages. Once done, inspect out for package directories and class files. That confirms the compiler placed binaries correctly. You finish by running Java with the fully qualified class name and any necessary CP. For example, Java CP outcom. Example: main. If you see no class def found error, confirm class path and package names match the directory structure. Recompile with D to fix mismatches. When syntax errors appear, read the compiler message, correct the line, and rerun javac. One key tip: if builds act inconsistent, delete all class files and recompile everything to eliminate stale bytecode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.